starting to realize that a lot of people are quitting that 9 to 5.
Yeah.
And pursuing their dreams and their goals, you know what I'm saying? So how hard was that for you to do?
It was hard. I really had to be pushed out of my job almost.
Okay.
Because like I said, I worked at Citibank in a call center for 8 years.
Yeah.
In my head, I was like, I'm going to work here for 2, make a little bit of money, and then I'm out.
That's how it normally works. And then you end up being there.
And then I got super comfortable. I was like, what, this job ain't that bad. And I'm going to try to get promoted. I want to do, like, my mom wanted me to get, have like a regular job. So I'm going to just work here and stuff. I was like, okay. And then I just got sucked in. Like, I got sucked into kind of like being around the same people, like being around my friends that I, made at the job or whatever, chopping up with them. And then I ended up getting married. And then I was just like, what, we need benefits. So I feel like this is how all like shit like this happens. But like,
it really is, I think.
Yeah,
honestly, it is.
So I got married, and I was like, what, we need benefits. Yeah, then we bought a house, and then I was like, what, I need this money to pay for my mortgage and all this other stuff. And
got
then
sucked into the American dream, so to speak.
Pretty much, yeah.